So I want to thank you for purchasing and downloading Loop Elements Pro. In this video, I want to show you really quickly and really easily how you can set up and install Loop Elements Pro. So once you make the download, you're going to see a couple of things in this folder. One is the Loop Elements Pro standalone. What you're going to do is easily just drag that and drop that into your applications folder. We're just going to hit replace. I've already put it in there, but you can go ahead and do that. And then you're going to open up the Loop Elements Pro installer, right? And it'll pull up this file, and then you can hit install, read the EULA. These things are important. Hit accept and hit start, and it will go through the process of downloading and installing the files for you. So as you can see, that went pretty quickly. What you're going to do next is decide where you want your samples to be located at. Now you can put these anywhere. You can put them on an external hard drive, wherever you put your samples. I recommend you put it on an SSD if you're doing that, or leave it on your internal. I have a folder set up. This is the default location that our files go to. And I'm just going to hit open, and then we're going to hit accept. And then it's going to ask you for your authorization code. You can find this in the email, your purchase email, or you can log into your account and go to My Orders and Serials, and you'll see it under there. Now that you've entered your serial number, you'll see that the installer is complete, and you can delete these temp files. There's a bunch of temp files that goes into your downloads directory that you can delete. They're just install files that you don't really need them. So you can delete those. It'll get rid of those out of your thing, and you can close the installer and open up in your DAW. Now, before we go to the DAW, we're just going to open up Loop Elements Pro from out of the applications folder. And that pulls up just right there. And then I can, if I so choose, can add it to my dock, which I've already added it to my dock, but you can go ahead and add it in. And you have the standalone version ready. It should do whatever you need it to do, play and experience all of those great features. Now let's go check it out in the DAW. Here inside of Logic, which is my DAW right now, you can work in any other DAW. You want to go down to AU Instruments, Gospel Producers, Loop Elements Pro, hit Create, and boom. There you have it, boys and girls. There's Loop Elements. And there you have it, boys and girls. That's how you install Loop Elements. I hope this video helped you enjoy Loop Elements. If you have any issues, please feel free to hit our customer support.